We call this the blue planet. We look at the surface and we see beauty. We see vacation. We see life. But the blue is just a disguise, because if you take a breath and sink past the sunlight, past the warmth, past the crush depth of a nuclear submarine, you enter a world where light is not a gift, it is a trap, where pressure is a weapon, and where evolution has created monsters that look like they belong on a different planet. We have spent billions searching for aliens in the stars. We should have been looking down. Welcome to the deep sea. At 200 meters, the sun begins to fail. We are in the twilight zone. Here, the water is a thick, dark blue. There are no plants. There is no photosynthesis. To survive here, nature had to get creative. If you have a body, you cast a shadow. And if you cast a shadow, you get eaten. So the creatures here chose a different path: invisibility. This is the glass octopus. It is not hiding behind a rock. It is hiding in plain sight. Its skin, its muscles, even its eyes are almost perfectly transparent. It is a ghost made of living tissue. In a world of shadows, the only way to be safe is to not exist at all. And they wait. They wait for this. Marine snow. It looks like dust, but it is the dead remains of everything that lived above. A constant, slow snowfall of rot. Down here, this isn't waste. It's the only meal they will see for weeks. Drop to 1,000 meters. The midnight zone. The sun is gone. The water is freezing. The darkness is absolute. But it isn't empty. If you open your eyes in this void, you will see lights. Beautiful, flashing, blue lights. But do not go near them. This is bioluminescence. In the midnight zone, life creates its own light. But it is almost always a lie. The anglerfish hangs motionless in the dark, a mouth full of translucent needles. That glowing bulb on its head? It's filled with glowing bacteria. It's a beacon in the night, a lure. It appeals to the curiosity of smaller fish. They come to investigate the light and find only death. Then there is the dragonfish. Most creatures down here are blind to the color red. Physics filters red light out. But the dragonfish produces a red light from its eye. It is an invisible sniper scope. It can see its prey, but its prey cannot see the light that is hunting them. It is a perfect killing machine. 4,000 meters. We hit the bottom. The abyssal plain. The pressure here is crushing. It is equivalent to having an elephant stand on your thumb. A human lung would collapse instantly. A tank would crumple like a soda can. And yet, something is moving in the mud. This is the giant isopod. On land, its cousins are tiny pill bugs. But down here, in the freezing dark, a phenomenon called deep sea gigantism takes over. They grow to the size of a cat. Armored tanks crawling through the silt. They are scavengers, ancient, slow. They can go years without eating, waiting for a dead whale to sink from the world above. When it does, they feast for decades. Finally, we fall into the trenches, the Abyssal Zone, named after Hades, the god of the underworld. 6,000, 8,000, 10,000 meters deep. Life should not be possible here. Physics says proteins should break apart, bones should snap, but life is stubborn. Meet the Mariana snailfish. It doesn't look like a monster. It looks fragile, like raw chicken. But it is the deepest living fish ever discovered. It has no scales. Its skull is open. Its body is mostly cartilage. It survives because it doesn't fight the pressure. It flows with it. It is a creature living on the edge of biological possibility. We explore space looking for the unknown. But the truth is, the most alien world isn't millions of miles away. It's right here, beneath the waves, waiting in the dark. We have explored 5% of this world. I wonder, what is watching us from the other 95%? Subscribe. Let's find out together.